come on, eat. Eat the biscuit. Eat the biscuit, eat. A couple is waiting for the group coming.